Honda has come a long way since its early days supplying piston rings to Toyota. In fact, in 2016, Forbes ranked Honda Motor Company the 23rd most valuable brand in the world with a brand value of $25.2 billion. Vision of the Honda Red engine on power products is often all the convincing we need. The product is reliable, good quality, and great value. We've listed down the top 3 best pressure washers with Honda engine and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Pressure Pro E4040HC. This is another pressure washer equipped with a powerful 13-horsepower GX390 Honda engine. It is easy to start, reliable, and quiet. It is ideal for washing vehicles, cleaning sidings, stripping paint, removing paint, and brightening wood. It offers water pressure of up to 4,000 psi, while it also features a cat pump with innovative aluminum frame of aircraft grade. This washer also features an inlet filter of 50 mesh that will protect your engine from unwanted dirt. It also comes with pneumatic tires that are great for every surface with padded shock-absorbing feet. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning PS3228. This pressure washer is another equipment powered by an impressive Honda engine. The Honda GX200 engine is a commercial-grade ideal for cleaning driveways, fences, sidings, mildew, and graffiti removal. It also comes with a AAA industrial triplex plunger pump with power boost technology that provides consistent pump bypass mode and water flow for protection of the pump. It has a frame constructed with welded steel and 10 inches unique pneumatic wheels to ensure easy transport, load, and setup. It has 5 quick connect nozzle spray tips for adapting to cleaning activities. It also comes with a 25 feet more flex hose. Number 1. PowerBoss 3100 Max. This is a powerful pressure washer built to do the tough cleaning tasks efficiently and effectively. It is equipped with a durable Honda GC190 engine suited for medium-duty home or your outdoor use. It features a maintenance-free axle cam pump equipped with an easy start technology that provides low effort and easy starting. It comes with a 25 feet flexible hose. There are 4 quick connect spray tips. This washer offers maximum water pressure of 3,100 psi at 2.4 GPM flow rate. There are also 10 pneumatic wheels available to make cleaning exercise easier and faster with smooth maneuverability. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.